Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And here is our bulletproof window. And today's video tells why we have bulletproof windows. Because once upon a time, long time ago, we didn't have bulletproof windows. And then this happened. So this video is about crushing brass. And brass work hardens. The harder you push, the harder it gets. And there is a limit to that, and today we are going to reach that limit. And we are now on our yearly summer vacation, and this year we have the rules that if it's bad weather, we do work, and if it's good weather, we do vacation. And today it's a bit windy and cold, so I'm going to tell you about today's sponsor, NordVPN. And NordVPN is excellent summer vacation companion, especially when traveling. It helps on every stage. When you are planning your trip, you might find cheaper plane tickets, car rental, stuff like that when you use NordVPN to transfer your IP address to cheaper country. And then during the travel, you might need to use some shady public VLANs, and with NordVPN you can make absolutely sure that all of your data is encrypted and nobody can spy on you. And then on the evenings, if you want to reach all the same TV shows and other stuff that you have used at home, some of them might be behind geo-blocking, at least here in Finland. Some of the state-funded TV shows are only available for Finns. So if I'm outside of Finland, I can just use NordVPN to put my IP address back at home and reach all the stuff that I reach from home. So go to nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress to enjoy all these benefits during your summer vacation. And now as an extra bonus, you are going to get up to 20 gigabytes of global eSIM data from Meixell. So you can share your summer vacation videos without expensive data roaming bills. And as always, you get a huge discount and 4 extra months for free. So go to nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress. And there is also 30-day money-back guarantee, so no risk on trying it out. Okay, here is our brass pile. As you see, we are really well. We have really good position here, and we have so many options. And I checked the old video, and I think it was about this size. This is actually copper, but about this size, and it took about 100 tons. So we can't go much bigger. I think as a solid bar, I think this is good 200 tons, and pretty bad news for anybody inside of the bunker, mainly Kelpop no pants. So this is definitely happening. Then should we try something like this?
That's new.
Yeah, let's cut part from here, like square piece. Then I wanna try hollow section.
Yeah.
So like this.
Okay.
Is there? And then we could. This is like going to go to the scrap metal, so why not?
There's a nice collection.
Yeah, let's go with those. Then I asked from ChatGPT, does any other metals work harder? And aluminium should do that. And we have broken windows also with aluminium. So I'm going to get also part of round bar aluminium piece for the same explosive results. Yeah, I think this is good collection. Let's start. Okay, here is our collection. And because I'm lazy, we are going to start with the biggest one because we have the big tool already in. But I think this is not super strong because it's only like 10 millimeter thick. But yeah, here we go. Okay, we are ready. The big brass pipe thing is inside there. Let's go to that window. I wanna see it. Expensive bulletproof windows, and we are not going to look it through the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Here it goes. Oh my god. Paljon siellä on voimaa? Häh?
261.
It didn't. Oh my god.
It doesn't go anywhere.
Put the blast pump also on. I'm not sure. It shouldn't affect, but let's be sure.
Oh. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, we haven't calibrated the machine like finally. We are missing like 10 to 20 tons from 300, but but that looks so terrifying. It looks like it's going to like form like plane of shrapnel and kill everything on the whole bunker. Yeah, but we have smaller parts also, so this was a bit too much. This is like opposite of regular video. We start from too much and go to like reasonable.
Yeah.
So next one is reasonable. Yes, now we have the window killer.
10 million.
Yeah, this is window killer 10 million because it's like about 50% larger and I'm expecting around 150 to 200 tons. Okay. Here we go.
Oi, oi, oi. Oh, where did it hit?
I think it went just past the pop.
Hopefully. And the camera.
Yeah, Pop can catch that without any problem, but Sony FX3, it's not going to catch that without any problem. It's surely going to catch it, but there are going to be some problems. Okay, it was much weaker than I thought, only around 140 tons. And here you can see also the position, how it gets crushed and how the force increases as it gets flatter and flatter. And it's interesting that the force stays flat small amount of time before it breaks. That's interesting. Yeah, but let's see what got hit and what didn't. Yeah, we have to start to focus more. We can also record the data from the press using the computer, and then we have to stop this in time. And after all that, we can start to wonder what happened.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh!
Oh, there it is.
It's quite warm. Okay, this was quite eventful. It hit this slightly. You can see it on the Sony. Then it slightly hit the pop, and then it slightly hit our light here. But it didn't went through. I think the pop took most of the hit. But Pop took it like absolute champ. I think the camera didn't even shake when this got hit. This is so minor thing for Pop. And then, as a comparison, we are going to crush similar piece of copper. And this shouldn't work harden, it just goes into coin. Yeah, it's a bit hotter.
Okay.
It might also be that it feels hotter because it's copper and it transfers the heat really well. Yeah, and then aluminium on the same deal. I have no idea what's going to happen. Okay. I have the trick.
Just a trick.
We are going to use the oldest trick in the book. I think this is from the video number 3 or something. We are going to integrate a nut to it. That's bad idea. I think it goes in and then everything goes to shit after that. Yeah, Okay, that's interesting. That's really interesting. It like already went to shit, but it didn't explode.
Yeah, it just slightly cracked.
It cracked in the same way as the brass piece. I'm also absolutely sure that nobody has manufactured part like this before.
Yeah. It's quite nice looking.
Yeah, but this was like starting to fly from here,
Why
but
did
then
it go?
just didn't want to fly.
Yeah.
But this is okay. I was saying that it's interesting that the hammers exploded, but this is quite much more material than the hammer end. This is quite large.
It's,
Tube with a thread inside, then there is that, and here is this. So a lot of things going on. I think this is the weakest brass item today, so it should explode quite easily.
Oh, oh.
Okay, seems that we just had really bad luck with the window killer back in the day, because these don't seem to be so dangerous. Okay, the stuff is quite heavy, but it doesn't fly super fast, so probably kills the camera if it's straight to the lens, but not deadly by any means. I think we are pushing our luck here.
You?
There is so much cameras and like
Yeah.
shit like this flying.
Yeah, that's quite big part already.
Yeah, I was like, just like how you aim this.
Yeah.
I think it's going to go like this. Let's put it this.
Okay.
And then this can film from here. Maybe here. Oh, it has warranty, like insurance. It can be there.
Camera insurance.
This doesn't have. And this is like, this here, if you don't count the pop, this is like 6,000 euros. And if that goes, it's on us. I think we have to build some kind of enclosure that the pop can hold. This is a bit stupid, I admit that. Okay, here it goes, square part. All others have been round. I think some hit this window. Yeah. Did you hear it?
Yeah,
like
so
cling?
I heard the cling, but I don't know where it came from.
Yeah, I think this released like smaller and bit faster stuff, but still not very dangerous at all. I have to say that I'm a bit disappointed. I thought that we are going to get huge explosions from the brass, but no. It smells a bit like burnt something. I think this got quite hot. Yeah, it's hot. Come, it looks like gold.
No, it's very shiny. Indeed.
Yeah, and the brass is mainly copper and zinc. Now I can finally confidently say that the windows are good, because 3 windows here, many brass crossings and 0 broken windows. So we have moved forward in like these last 4 years or something like that. And I think this was enough. There is only good luck protecting the cameras, and I have to definitely do something. So I'm going to start to design some steel boxes. I think I want to also get high-speed camera inside of the bunker on steel box, because this is like a bit unoptimal. Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this green guy. He looks a bit worried, but he's actually extremely dangerous, so we have to deal with him.